our propane and natural gas griddle. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 12 inches, a depth of 25 inches, and overall height with legs, we have 16 inches tall. Coming to the top of the griddle area, we have a length of 12 inches and a depth of 19 inches. Coming to the right corner will be an opening for axes and debris, and on the bottom, this drip tray will collect those axes. Coming to the top right corner will be an opening where the axes and debris will fall onto this drip tray, and the measurements for the drip tray will include 6 1/4 inches in length by 16 3/4 inches in depth. Internal measurements will include 5 1/2 inches in length by 16 inches in depth. The drip tray can be removed and inserted back onto the track right beneath the griddle. Coming to the front will be the controller to adjust your temperature. And on the side will be the ETL NSF certification. And coming to the back will be the gas connection to run and operate this griddle. Included will be the gas regulator along with the propane conversion kit. This griddle can run on natural gas and propane. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotusa.com for more information on this product. Thank you.